Hello, crew. Captain Akazot here. On today's video, we'll be talking about RG Smoker, the same deck list I've been playing all through the week, but this time I played on the Rogue League. This is the second official event of the Rogue League, and it's been going great. It's been working exactly as it should. Again, One Piece is a very high variance game, and the tournaments aren't being very good for me, but I will still post all the games anyway. I think there's a lot to be learned here for me and for anyone else who wants to see the game, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, we're about to start here the first round of the Rogue League. These are codes. Yeah, it's me and Hodo. He playing versus Rosinante. What a deck. So we can go first, and on second. This is okay on second, this is not. I'm gonna mulligan, there's too many bricks. Let me lower the music a little bit. Yeah, this is too many bricks on the starting hand. I'm gonna mulligan. So he passes. I'm gonna search twice here. This is good here. I'll get the 2K. This. Yeah, it was only target. This is good in my hand. Yeah. It's okay. That is kind of okay. Misplay here. Could have been punished by a trigger, but fortunately we weren't. Now can start countering. So this is one of the things I have to remove as fast as I can. If he sugars and try to KO my Kobe, that's fine. I have enough counter to protect it. This Kobe can just attack and KO Sugar, right? So there's no reason for him to play it, and all the small blockers as well. So I'm just gonna check this. This is good to bait Sugar. No, well, Sugar I have it solved, right? So I'm just gonna counter as well. He's being very aggressive. Okay, okay. 6K counter in hand. Mhm. Oh, that's really good. That was really good. Mhm. Yeah, I'll save one of those hits. Okay.
Cheguei na tua mesa, manos. Hoje tava foda.
Hoje tava.
Cara, é muito pepino hoje, velho. Mas tamo indo, tamo indo.
Ok. Será que ele vai counterar isso aqui? Acho que ele vai blocar. Qualquer um que eu atacar aqui, ele vai blocar. Mas pra mim tá tranquilo. Nossa, eu triguei uma vez aqui, cara. Ganhei quase no trigger. Matei um
Caralho,
Cavendish, tá ligado?
é louco.
Bom demais.
Bom demais, velho. Tá, posso fechar isso, posso fechar isso.
Uhum.
Eu fiquei feliz de ver o Rafa entrando na liga também, cara.
É massa. Nossa,
Massa pra
eu
caralho.
tô te gravando, tá, by the way?
Tá me gravando? Ah, da hora.
Tô.
Hello, everyone.
Mas é muito difícil esse deck dele, velho. Muito difícil jogar contra. So, I think I'm not in a great position here, especially because he has a Shanks. I think me slamming the kid was kind of a desperation move, especially seeing that I have uh, the Igloo. So the Igloo can defend my kid for one turn, but that's it. So I can do this. But still, like, I only have 4k. And then he can attack with at least 8 or 10. And tap my... Yeah, so 10. Yeah. Okay. Ten and six. I'm going for a face. Leave two don't open. Yeah, I'm okay here. Okay. So here I was kind of looking for a Hody. See what I can find here. Not looking great. So cool. Yeah. Yeah, it's not looking good for me here, guys. This deck is a lock, so if it completely... So yeah, he didn't even have to do the blockers, all he sent was counter. Gonna activate here, so... I can counter there, yeah, that's GG. Yeah, GG. Block. And 16 me. Yeah. Now the playing against this deck is it feels suffocating. The play for him to do a 9 cost just to kill my Kobe was really good for him. It was a tempo shift, very good. And I mean, he deserved it. He pilots his deck very well. He's been playing for a while, ever since PRB2. So yeah, GG. Well, that was the game. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Cheers.